What's good, Camcorder Squad? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now today I wanted to rock the boat a little bit. I wanted to do something different that y'all normally don't see on my channel. I wanted to do some styling, and I had grabbed some new sneakers, so I wanted to show y'all how I will pair these sneakers up. Of course, y'all know my channel is all about sneakers and fashion, so I wanted to take the two, merge them together, and today what I got is some fire joints by Asics. So y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera, please. Alright, Camcorder Squad, so what I got here today is a pair of the Asics Gel-Nandis 360s. Real chill, hold up. Alright, so right here I got the icy morning colorway. This has to be like one of my favorite as far as like creative solid color. So this is like a monotone type of sneaker, so it's all like pretty much one color, but at the same time it's different variations, different shades, different types of shadings and everything in here. Plus, you all know when it comes to a sneaker game, like I love different fabrics, different textures and everything like that. So what we got here, like I said, these are the Gel-Nandi 360s, if I'm saying that right, Gel-Nandis. I got these because I wanted to be different. Like I got tired of wearing like the hype that's boring me out. Like everybody is going for the hype, and every sneaker all of a sudden nowadays is just everybody's hype, and now it's hard for you to just get sneakers. So I wanted to do something that like rock the boat pretty much. So I went downtown and I went to one of my favorite like fashion and sneaker boutiques, and that's SRVN, that's SRVN. Y'all can find them. I had a description down below and y'all can go check them out. So anytime y'all in Chicago, or if y'all just want to check out the website, y'all absolutely can. But like I said, I seen these boys up in here when I was doing like I was online shopping, but at the same time I had one downtown, and I was like, man, I gotta go up in here, and I wanted to get these. Now these running for 200. These running for 200, but I mean, who can knock them? Because these sneakers are just that fire. First thing first, looking at the bottom, bruh. Let's do this real quick. Boom, pow, boom, boom, boom. Ooh, all right, man, straight up, like right off the back, let's talk about this bottom sole, man. First thing first, I like how it's just like crazy at the bottom. It look like pleated spikes, but at the same time it's really not too much of anything really crazy up in here. It's just like really crazy designs at the bottom, but at the same time the crazy part about this is it's more cushion than you think it is. It's a lot of rubber down here, but at the same time it's a lot of cushion. Now when you get to the midsole, which happened to be my favorite part, that's when the gel is. Of course, Gel-Nandis, I mean, this is where the gel really is. I mean, of course this looks like it don't look like too much of anything, but it really is like gel. If you squeeze on the side, you'll feel like gelatin. That's fire to me. And it's like a different shade of teal. Of course, like I said, it's the icy mornings, so of course they got different shades of like light teal and everything. That's obviously fire to me. Now when we get to like the upper, like things start to get out of whack. When it comes to like Asics, is like crazy with with their logos, with their designs and their patterns, but it's at the same time it's like real basic. And like I said, it's a monotone sneaker, so it's like different fabrics, different patterns, different shapes, different colors and everything like that, and I love that. So what you will have along this sneaker, like if I put it real close, everything that's pretty much really light up over like from the front to the actual Asics logo that you all see with these stripes, everything like that is padded leather, and I think that's real dope. I thought this was gonna be a problem with it. Like I figure like, man, if I do walk in these, it might cause some hardcore like lines or creases or anything like that, but the place that they have these this padded leather, it's really not going to do any damage to the sneaker or anything like that. So I think that's fire. Also, you all know how I love mesh, and that's pretty much throughout the entire sneaker. So you'll see it right here, you'll see it all on the upper, you'll see it like in certain spaces where they don't have the padded leather. You'll see like they have this mesh here, and I actually enjoy it. It's one of my favorites. Anything that pretty much has mesh, I know it's right off the bat going for comfort, and I know I can walk in here with ease, and I don't have to do that little stupid ass duck walk like everybody do when we get new sneakers, and I don't have to put no sole protectors up in here, like no what you call it, the shoe protectors that you slide inside the sneaker. I don't have to do anything of that, so I'm cool with that. I'm actually happy with that. So I can breathe, I can walk comfortably, I can be stylish at the same time, and I'll have some security while I'm walking with these sneakers. One thing that I also like, in the logo, they make the laces on here, the holder of your laces, actually into the logo. So it's like you'll see like the stripe of the Asics logo right here, and then at the same time you'll see that it's holding the laces at the same time. So I think that's pretty fire if you look at it. I think this is an all-around dope sneaker. I mean, it's not too crazy, nothing too complex, nothing too out of whack. And at the same time, I forgot one thing to mention. They have like this plastic. It's like right here. If you see like all this dark, a little bit of dark teal and everything like that, That's like this plastic rubber, like it's mesh rubber padded leather. The gel that's at the midsole and everything like that. So it's like just a whole bunch of material that's going on here. So of course, when I'm walking, not only is the color gonna catch your eye, but at the same time, the designs and patterns that's on here and the different colors that's on those different patterns is actually what's gonna grab your attention. So I think that's fire. Like I said, this went for 200. Y'all already know what it is. Big ass foot squad. What's the deal? This is a size 13. They real comfortable on your feet. Like, I can't even explain. Like, I thought the gel was just the design itself, but that's not even the case, man. It's actually really soft in here. It reminds me of a few of the sneakers that I do have. Off the top, it looks like it's not gonna be comfortable, but as soon as you put your foot up inside of here, the comfort on these joints is perfect. Like, I can actually walk around as much as I want to up in this sneaker and not really feel any pain or anything like that because I'm comfortable. So these boys are fire. Shout out to Asics for making such a fire sneaker, a dope collaboration. I think this was a really good idea, and shout out to SRVN for actually having these because I grabbed the last pair in my size. Actually, I grabbed the last pair in general. Of course, they're popular, but they're not as popular like how do I say, they're not as popular as everybody was like going crazy to buy them where they sold out the first day. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, they're still so fire that SRVN actually has like a number of different creative dope sneakers, and of course they're gonna go after something like this. They had another colorway, which should be, I'll put it right here. They had another colorway, but at the same time I wanted to go for these boys. These are more my speed, and I can actually do a lot of crazy styling with this. So yeah, this is something that y'all should look into, man. Is this something that you will pick up? If you think this is a creative sneaker, do you think this was fire to add to my collection? Will this be something that you actually like? I mean, I don't know. Let me know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you will actually buy these sneakers. Is this your speed? Is this something that you will wear? Do y'all think that this is like a good pickup for my collection? I mean, y'all let me know. Keep it a buck with me. I have no problem with y'all telling me if it is or if it ain't. Just drop that comment down below and show your boy some love. So with that being said, man, let's just jump into this styling real quick. I want to show y'all maybe 2 or 3 ways that I'm gonna style it up. So with that being said, man, y'all know how we do it. Let's get this fashion shit going. You feel me?
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LA BB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LA BB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, most of y'all is Florida.